They could be selling these outside.
No kidding.
You all had to wait with a big bunch of people on this too.
No, we didn't even get
We
this
didn't
far.
even get this far.
Oh, yeah. That lady with that was scanning things underneath the umbrella was
Hey, y'all. Thanks for helping me look for musicians for our party tonight. Louis, they're on their way.
Look, there's Louis.
Hello? Anyone down here who can blow a horn and jam? Hello?
I heard from another comment, it's weather in the summer,
Tiana wasn't kidding, y'all. This Zydeco band she found can play. Hallelujah.
There's a big need. I would love for y'all to play at my party.
Listen to this. These cats can burn.
I hope they all come to the party to play, but let's explore a bit more.
How's this?
That was weird.
Where did our friends go?
They vanished.
We have to find them.
Oh my god! Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that. That looks so weird.
Oh, it's wrong.
Ha! Been there, done that. You can't understand, I was crazy.
This is it.
Hope you enjoy getting tiny. Now let's get you back to this big, old, beautiful self. Now let's get you to the party. You'll get there in no time. Guaranteed.
I was saying my stomach's twisted. Oh my god! Oh!
a big splash at this party. See y'all again soon.